where'd you get the hustle? Like, where do you think you got the hustle from? Like, hustle and just being smart.
Just like hating 9 to 5. You know what I mean?
Yeah,
Hating 9 to 5. Like I hated that thing so much that I did not want to go back. Like there's no way I'm gonna fail. I'm never going. I was literally in misery. Like I'd wake up sad and depressed. Like, and the days you had a 9 to 5 before, right?
I've never had one, bro.
You never had one? Oh man,
Never
dude,
had a 9 to 5.
let me tell you something about 9 to 5s, man. Okay, so when you're like right now, the days fly by. You don't have enough time in the day, right?
Bro, I have no time.
Nothing. You wish you could have longer days. And 9 to 5, bro, you're staring at the clock like, you feel you look back, do work, and then you come back like, come on, an hour has to have passed, and it's like 5 minutes. Like, God, it's like horrible, bro. It's like a slow, painful death. Well, to me, I couldn't do it, bro.
Bro, that's insane.